Here's VENICE AI app, private uncensored AI, fully private conversation and uncensored images, seamless switch text to image, browse this community social feed. So that's kind of the idea. VENICE is the only AI app that keeps your conversations completely private while unleashing your creative freedom. Get honest answers to any question, generate stunning images, and create without restriction on your mobile device. So VENICE keeps your conversation completely private on your device. Nothing is stored, monitored, or collected. You can ask anything without content restriction or censorship. Generate images, AI chat with web search, social feed, photo analysis, document analysis. Let's just take a look because, this app is starting to climb the charts in productivity. As you can see, I'm on top 200 app. Well, to be honest, I don't know whether it's completely legit. I'm just showing it to you because some of these apps are just, created, then they're advertised, and then eventually they're just basically collecting your data. But let's just show it to you. And now you can then just type like this. Token dashboard. I don't know what. So you have your VENICE credits, settings, import memories. You can delete chat history. I don't know why it's token dashboard. It's redirecting me to some website. Okay, so now there are also tokens, kind of some where you can connect your wallet and kind of some Web3 thingy. Can add some things. Can purchase some coins and basically have some settings. So that's kind of the idea in here, and that's the app. You can always upgrade to Pro, yearly $234 or $24 per month. So that's what it is.